Hi, this is Robert from CryptoCalc.com, and in this video I would like to show you how to use the cryptocurrency converter tool on my website. To access the tool, go to crypto-calc.com. Okay, first of all, what can you do with this tool? CryptoCalc allows you to convert between currently about 1,200 different cryptocurrencies and all major fiat currencies. It also provides an easy way to calculate percentage increases and decreases of those currencies. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. Whatever currency conversion you perform, you will always get a result in Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar and Euro. On top of that, you can choose an additional cryptocurrency, which is a Litecoin by default when you first visit this site, and the pound sterling for the fiat currency. You can change those currencies and choose whatever you want from those combo boxes here. Okay, how does this work? By default, you get all the exchange rates for one Bitcoin. So currently, you will get about 34.9 Ethereum, 89.5 Litecoin, and for one Bitcoin you would have to pay around $16,309 US dollars and 13,747 euros. Let's look at another example. Let's say, for example, you have 500 US dollars and you want to buy some IOTA. Okay, first you would select IOTA here. Here you can search from all those 1,200 different cryptocurrencies. We type in IoT. Okay, it finds IOTA. Click OK. Okay, and you get immediately the price for one IOTA in Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar, in euros. So for one IOTA you would pay 0.00025127 Bitcoin, and currently the price of one IOTA is about 4.1 US dollars. When you buy altcoins, most exchanges will only allow you to buy them either with Bitcoin or Ethereum, and that's why the big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are always displayed. So you get the idea. You enter the desired value in any of the text boxes for whatever currency you would like to convert from, and you get the conversion rates for various other currencies. And of course you can do the same with any other fiat currency. For example, if you're living in Switzerland, just select the Swiss franc here. We just search Swiss franc. Okay, and the desired value, and you get the corresponding conversion rates for all other currencies. So by default, when you change the fiat currency, you get the prices for one unity. So one Swiss franc would buy you 0.24 IOTA in this case, and you would get 0.0006126 Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a quick look at the calculation of percentage increases and decreases. After performing currency conversion, you might be interested in knowing what a certain percentage increase or decrease may result in. So simply provide the desired percentage value in the text box at the bottom of the form and click the percent key. By default, percentage increases are calculated. If you would like to calculate percentage decreases, click the plus button at the left of the percentage text box, and instead of the blue plus symbol, you will now see an orange minus symbol. You can perform different percentage calculations after each other, and each percentage calculation will be based on the initial currency values you used for your very first percentage calculation. For example, if you started with a calculation of 10% increase of the value of one Bitcoin, you will see a result of 1.1 Bitcoin. If you now type 5 in the percentage box, and again click the percent button, you will see 1.05 Bitcoin, because the calculation is performed on the initial value of one Bitcoin and not the value of the last calculation, which was 1.1 Bitcoin. Now if you click the blue plus button, which again turns into this orange minus button, to calculate percentage decreases, let's say we provide the value 10 here as a test. Now you will get 0.9 Bitcoin. Again, because the calculation is based on the initial value of one Bitcoin. The reset button on the right of the percentage button allows you to return to the currency values that were displayed initially before you did your first percentage calculation. Click here. Okay, in our example, you will see the value of 1 Bitcoin along with the corresponding values of all other currencies. Now let's take a look at a specific example. Let's assume you want to use Bitcoin to buy Cardano on your favorite exchange. Let's also assume that Bitcoin is currently in a strong bull ride, whereas altcoins like Cardano might be lagging a bit behind. So you think Bitcoin will rise faster than Cardano over the next few hours or even days, and that you could squeeze out another 7, 8, 9, 10% gain if you just waited a little bit longer. Okay, let's select Cardano here, hit the enter key, and you get the cost for 1 Cardano in Bitcoin, US dollar, euro, and so on. And the percentage calculator, just click the plus button, now you get percentage decreases. Let's say you want a price gain of 7%, let's type in 7 here, let's hit the percent button. Okay, calculation is performed, and now we see the Bitcoin value for 1 Cardano after 7% price decrease, which would be in this case this value here. Now you can add a limit order on your exchange specifying the calculated BTC amount for 1 Cardano as a purchase limit, and as soon as Cardano reaches that value, your order will be executed. You can also do a quick estimation how much Cardano will get for, let's say, $500 US. So let's type in 500 US dollar bucks. Click enter. So if you would buy right now, you would get about 4,381 Cardano tokens. But as you estimated to get Cardano, let's say 7% cheaper, the current price, you would get 7% more Cardano tokens. So we click this minus button to calculate percentage increases. Now we have the plus. We leave the 7% increase. We hit the percent button. Okay, so this means you would get now with a 7% increase 4,688 tokens. Okay, that's it pretty much for this little demonstration. In the near future, plan to add other features to this site, like a crypto portfolio manager and a token watch list with an alert system. And if you have any questions or ideas or suggestions regarding other features you would like me to add to this site, please let me know. You can either use the contact form on my site or contact me directly via YouTube. For more details, you can also check out the help and FAQ section on my site. And if you would like to stay up to date with new features and functionalities that will be added to this site, you can subscribe for updates here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you have some fun with my crypto calculator.